This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, Saudi Arabia acts like they're an ally of the United States. And of course, the shills are going to have a heart attack with this. But Saudi Arabia is in it for Saudi Arabia. They only deal with us because they have to, because of our influence on the world stage. Because the minute they get an opportunity to undermine us, that is what they do. Okay, we all know, well, not we all know, but I believe that Saudi Arabia was behind a lot of what happened on 9/11. Okay, I believe that they were the masterminds. I believe they financed it. That's what I believe. That is my opinion. And of course, there's going to be people that disagree with me, but you're entitled to do that. Now, Saudi Arabia, you guys know that they exited the petrodollar agreement with us a little while back. And now Saudi Arabia seems to be willing to sell oil to China, not in dollars, but in Chinese yuan. Okay, if this isn't a slap in the face to our so-called alliance with Saudi Arabia, I don't know what is. Okay, I believe this is absolutely crazy, but Saudi Arabia, I believe, wants to get that cheap labor from China. I believe they believe they can benefit from a better relationship with China. So they're willing to sell China oil and purchase it in Chinese yuan. And I'm going to tell you guys something. If this happens, I think this will have a negative impact on the value of the dollar worldwide. And while, of course, I do not want to see the dollar devalued, I believe this will put additional pressure on the banks, additional pressure on the bad actors, naked shorting AMC and GME. And I think in that situation, it might be beneficial to investors who are long on AMC and long on GME. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell GME. What I'm saying is this: if Saudi Arabia starts to sell China oil and let them pay in yuan instead of dollars, that can have a very negative effect on the value of the US dollar, which could then have a negative effect on our economy, which could then have a negative effect on the banks who are already hanging on by their fingernails, in my opinion. And then, of course, if the banks are having liquidity issues, all the naked shorters will have liquidity issues also. And everyone knows, well, not everyone knows, but I believe that the only way these bad actors can keep these naked short positions open is by ongoing liquidity. Once the liquidity is gone, they can't keep those positions open anymore. And then they'll be forced to start closing out their AMC and GME shorts. And hopefully AMC and GME will start trading at their real price. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think Saudi Arabia selling oil to China for Chinese yuan is a slap in the face of their alleged alliance with the United States of America? And do you think it will be negative for the AMC GME naked shorters? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.